In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide Gmail side panels. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clear visual clutter when you need focus, and how to bring tools back the moment you want them. First, open your browser and head to gmail.com. Sign into your account as you normally would. Once your inbox loads, give the page a second to finish rendering. Gmail sometimes arranges panels after everything else appears, especially on slower connections. Interface details can vary slightly depending on your screen size and any recent updates, but the controls you need are always in the same general area. Now, look to the far right edge of the screen. That vertical strip is the right side panel. It typically shows icons for tools like Calendar, Keep, Tasks, and any add-ons you've installed. If you don't immediately see it, it may already be collapsed. In that case, you'll notice a small toggle along the right edge, inviting you to show or hide the panel. To hide the panel, click the icon that controls it. Depending on your layout, this might look like 3 horizontal lines, a small arrow, or a panel toggle button labeled to hide the side panel. One click is all it takes. The panel will collapse and slide out of view, giving your inbox and message content more room. This is especially useful on smaller screens, or anytime you want to reduce distractions while reading or composing email. When you're ready to bring the panel back, click the very same control you just used. If it was an arrow, it will now point the other way. If it was a toggle, it will say Show Side Panel. The icons for Calendar, Keep, Tasks, and your add-ons will reappear, and you can click them to open their mini apps without leaving your inbox. Remember, you're not turning these tools off, just tucking them away. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Gmail usually remembers your choice in the same browser, so if you hide the panel and come back later, it's likely to stay hidden until you show it again. If your window is very narrow or your browser zoom is high, Gmail may auto-collapse the panel. Widening the window or reducing zoom can reveal the toggle more clearly. And if something looks different after an update, the control is still along that right edge. Hover slowly, and you'll see the button highlight. That's it. Simple, quick, and helpful for keeping your inbox clean and focused. Thanks for watching.